Now that you know how to interpret and refine individual clips, it's time to zoom out and look at the bigger picture, how to combine scenes to tell a cohesive story. In Veo, this means crafting your narrative across multiple prompts, transitions, and visual cues. Why story structure matters. Even short videos benefit from structure. Whether it's a product launch, tutorial, or inspirational piece, having a beginning, middle, and end gives your content flow and impact. A simple three-part framework: intro, grab attention, establish tone; core message, deliver value, teach, show, explain; outro, wrap up, invite action, leave a strong impression. Step 1. Map your scenes. Before prompting, sketch out your scenes like a mini storyboard. Decide how many scenes you'll need, what visual or audio elements each scene requires, where you want transitions or changes in pace. You don't need to write a full script, just outline the sequence. Scene 1, logo intro with upbeat music. Scene 2, product in use, voiceover explains benefits. Scene 3, customer testimonial clip. Scene 4, call to action with brand slogan. Step 2, prompt scene by scene. Instead of prompting for one long clip, break your video into manageable parts. This helps Veo focus and makes refinement easier. Example prompt for scene 2. Show product being used in real-life setting, mid-shot with natural lighting. Voiceover. This is how it fits into your day. Add light background music, create and refine each scene, then move to the next. Step 3. Seamless transitions. Once your scenes are ready, use transition prompts to tie them together. Add smooth crossfade from scene 1 to scene 2. Insert 1-second pause with logo animation between scenes. Apply match cut from typing on phone to scrolling on tablet. Transitions keep the viewer engaged and enhance the narrative flow. Step 4. Final assembly. Use Veo's timeline or sequence editor to arrange your scenes in order. Review the pacing across the full video, not just within each clip. Ask, does the story flow naturally? Are the emotional beats balanced? Is the call to action clearly presented? By combining scenes with purpose, you turn scattered visuals into a story with rhythm and resonance.